Hello everyone, and welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, I will show you an amazing student attendance register created in Excel. This is the student attendance register system. Let me show you how it works. Before you start using the system, you have to fill in the term dates form. Open it and fill it in. Click on this to open the date picker and select the term begin date. Proceed to click and select the term end date. Click on Save to save it. If you have holidays within the term, indicate them here. I have one holiday in the term, so I enter the name here. Then click and select the date for it. Click on Save to save it. Close the section and let's move to the attendance register section. Select the class. Click here to load the students of the selected class. These are the students. Let's mark them. Click to open the date picker, select the date, and click OK. Then click and select 1, which means present, from the drop-down list. Click on this button to make all students present. If you want to view it, click on this button. These are the marked students. You will see the date, class, student ID, and the name. Let's mark another day. See this message, it is telling us that the selected date is a holiday, JOAT day, and attendance is not possible. We made a mistake in selecting it, so we cannot mark attendance. So let's select a different day and mark it. Marking is successful. Now, if a student is absent and we need to mark the student absent, it is very simple. Click to select the student. Information about the student will appear here. Select the 1 and delete it, type 0, and click on Update. Done, we have marked the student absent successfully. You can see the 1 has changed to 0. Let's do another marking by repeating the previous marking process. Now let's move to attendance register analysis. Let's fill in the right information here, select the term begin date. Select the last date of attendance marking. Select the class for the analysis. Select 1 or 0 based on the status you want to analyze. Select the student ID. And this will bring the full name of that student here. If we want to see the entire attendance of the selected student, click here. This attendance data is for the selected student. It shows she has come to school for 2 days and has absented herself for 1 day. If we want to see only the present attendance of the selected student, click here. This attendance data is for the selected student. It shows she has come to school for 2 days. If we want to see only the absent attendance of the selected student, then change this to 0 and click here. This attendance data is for the selected student. It shows she has absented herself from school for 1 day. If we want to see the entire selected class attendance data, click here. These are all the attendance records, both present and absent, for the selected class. If we want to see only the absent attendance data of the selected class, click here. This shows that in the selected class, only one student was absent. If we want to see only the present attendance data of the selected class, change this to 1 and click here. This shows all the students present. If you want to print the information, click here. Click close and move to further analysis. Fill in the required information. Then click here to add up the attendance. This shows the total present and absent attendance for each student. If you want to print, click here. This is the first attendance analysis we saved as PDF. And this is the second attendance analysis we saved as PDF. If you are interested in learning how to create this powerful and amazing student attendance register system, or the entire school management system, feel free to contact me. I will guide you on how to do it. Also, you can download this school management system from the link in both the description and comment sections. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more amazing content from this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.